Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to track someone location with Gmail on Google Maps. So let's start. So first let's go to settings on our device and then just scroll down and let's go to Google. So here on Google just select manage your Google account. Just wait a little bit. So just select your account. In this case I want this account. Just click there and then go to manage your Google account. Here on manage your Google account, just sweep a little bit and go to security part, and then here on security part just scroll down a little bit and let's go to this part that says find a lost device. Just click there and then just open with Google Maps if you prefer, or Google Chrome. When you select it, just write your account, in this case your password, and then select the phone or the device that you want to locate. So in this case I want this device, and then you will find appears here a map and where is the device. So that's how it works. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.